What's up, babes? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be talking all about fragrance. So today is another Fragrance Friday video, you guys. I am super excited. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the fragrances that I have been holding out on. But first, I wanted to thank Karativa for sending me over these beautiful pieces that I am rocking in today's video. Girl, you would have thought I got engaged, okay? Stop playing with me. So Karativa is a brand that specializes in personalized jewelry as well as custom music boxes. Their focus is to maintain sustainability and affordability. They also use S295 sterling silver along with other recyclable materials. Let me just start off by saying how beautiful these pieces are, you guys. Like the clarity on the CZs, like the details. I love it, you guys. As soon as I put this necklace on, I was absolutely in love, you guys. I love the rose gold. I personally don't own a lot of rose gold, but I do have a few pieces here and there. I paired it with this watch, and I just love it. Like, I feel like accessories and fine jewelry just always add the final touch to an outfit, and these are super pretty, y'all. It's the quality for me, okay? Like, this is some really nice fine jewelry. And of course, with Mother's Day just around the corner, be sure to check out their website, you guys. I also have a coupon code, the direct link to their website as well as to the pieces that I have. So basically what I have is a 3-piece. It comes with a ring. It's shaped in a heart. It has a necklace. It is adjustable, so you can wear it shorter if you want. You can wear it longer. I kind of chose to go for a shorter option, and then you also get these beautiful stud earrings to go along with it. This is gorgeous. This is the box that this came in, you guys, and it's just gorgeous. Like, it's quality from the packaging to the product. And like I said, Karativa does specialize in custom music boxes, and I have to show y'all this. This is so gorgeous, you guys. I love the color that I picked out. I believe they have some other colors on their website as well, such as red, maybe even a navy blue. I'll be sure to link their website down below so you guys can check them out. But listen to my music box, you guys, and I love that I was able to customize and pick a song that I saw fit for my mom, because I am going to gift her something in this exact jewelry box. And I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear, but listen. It's Beyonce Diva, sis, okay? This is super cute. This is genius. Like, I love it. And they also have just some standard default songs on their website as well, but I had to get mine customized, and I absolutely love it, you guys. So head on over to their website, you guys. They have so much to choose from, and pick something out for your mother for Mother's Day. And of course, they are having their Mother's Day sale, so be sure to check them out whether you're buying for yourself or someone else. Definitely get this jewelry box, girl, because you definitely need it. The first fragrance I have to show is Versace Eros Parfum. You guys, this smells so beautiful. And this is the eau de toilette, and it is 30 ml, so it is just 1 fluid ounce. And you guys know that I always say that I have so much fragrance, at least to me, that I don't want to get bigger bottles, because I'm really trying to find my niche when it comes to fragrances, and not necessarily be like a collector or anything, but I want to find a fragrance or fragrances that work well with me and that give me long-lasting projection, all of that. So this is what the bottle looks like, you guys, and like I said, it is a 1 ounce, so it's super small. It literally fits in my hand. The juice is so beautiful, you guys. Oh, I couldn't even get that out, girl. The juice is so beautiful, you guys. It's like this beautiful light yellow. I love the eau de toilette, you guys. I personally feel like the EDP is definitely different. It's way different. Kind of like a different DNA from the EDT. And I also feel like the EDT lasts a really long time. So I get maybe about 5, 6, 7, 8 hours wear out of this fragrance, you guys. And for our EDT, that is not bad at all. Like, this is kind of like where my Pink Sugar by Aquilina lasts, like the amount of time. Love this one, you guys. It smells so good. I feel like I was holding that real high. Was I doing the most? But anyways, this is just so gorgeous. It's so ladylike. It's so fresh. It's so fun. It literally smells like citrus. It smells like a bunch of citrus fruits, maybe like mandarin. I don't want to say lemon, but apple, like those more acidic and citrus fruits. Like, this smells really good. I love the way this smells. Oh my god, girl, it makes me want to put that on now, because I do not have a fragrance of the day just yet, but this smells absolutely amazing, you guys. So good. Oh, and I just looked on Fragrantica. I think that's how you say it, y'all. And it does have lemon in it. I was right. It also has pomegranate in it as well. I couldn't put my finger on it, but I knew it was a very citrus fragrance. It almost puts me in the mind of Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue a little bit. It doesn't have that green apple in it, but just that citrus, like that breath, or that like, I can't even explain it, girl. Just that whiff of like freshness and citrus-y. That's not even a word, girl. The girls that get it, okay? Because it smells super good and super fresh. It also has jasmine, peony, and a few woody notes. Next up, we have Elie Saab La Parfum Royal. And this is a 1.6 fluid ounce bottle, so this is 50 mils. And this is what the actual packaging looks like, you guys. Elie Saab literally has the most beautiful, elegant, angelic packaging ever. Like, it literally looks like a diamond. It puts me in the mindset of Tiffany fragrances. It does. But this packaging is everything, you guys. Like, this is some really sturdy, heavy glass. The top is plastic, but the bottle itself is very nice. So let's get into this fragrance. So what did I just say? Fragrance. This is another super citrusy, woody kind of fragrance. I feel like the times that I have worn this fragrance, I do get the burst of citrus when I first spray it, but initially, well, not initially, but as I wear it throughout the day, I get more of a deeper, woody kind of vibe, but not in a bad way. I still smell the citrus, but it just gets a lot more deeper and kind of like sexier a little bit. So I would consider this, like, I would wear this fragrance during the daytime. I will also wear this at nighttime, especially during this spring season. It is definitely a spring scent because it does have those citrus notes. But in the dry down, like I said, it does kind of smell a little bit more deeper, maybe like after 5 o'clock kind of wear. Like, I definitely wouldn't wear this to work, but it definitely does smell super, super sexy. I love the DNA of Elie Saab. La Parfum is my absolute favorite. That is my go-to fragrance when I want to wear to a wedding. So maybe this would be like my go-to fragrance if I wanted to go to a spring wedding or some type of very elegant and classy kind of vibe after 5. Ooh, that rhyme, girl. And I definitely pick up that there is some type of flower, maybe a rose or something in this fragrance. I definitely pick up on that. I can definitely tell that it has vanilla in it, maybe a little bit of sandalwood, like I said, the woody notes, and definitely the citrus. It's a very heavy citrus. I pick up on a little bit of rose, and also, like I said, the woody note. And I would say about moderate longevity. So in today's Fragrance Friday video, I only have 3. So this is my last one, you guys. This is Dolce & Gabbana, the only one. I love this one. This is the EDP. 30 mils, like I said, you guys, 1 fluid ounce. This bottle is super cute. It's super tiny. I'm obsessed with things that are little anyway, depending on what it is. But I'm obsessed. Like, I love it, you guys. Dolce & Gabbana, the only one. It smells so good. This is the perfect, like, this is the perfect spring, really anytime, nighttime scent. Like, this is one of my favorites, you guys. Since I've started wearing this, and since I purchased this, I have been wearing it a lot, as you guys can see. I'm trying to slack up on it a little bit, but it smells so, so good, you guys. There is just a little bit of everything in this girl. Like, it's sweet. I smell some florals. Oh, it's super sweet, y'all. Like, this is like not sickening sweet, but it's just like super sweet and super sexy. I love this scent, you guys. And fun fact, I actually debated between this one and the Intense, but I did not like the coconut in the Intense. I don't know what it was. I don't like coconut a whole lot anyway, but it just smelled kind of a little synthetic, but nevertheless, it's still a good fragrance, and I probably would purchase it. But I decided to just get the original, you guys, and I absolutely love it. Like I said, there is some rose in this fragrance. I think there's maybe some bergamot, definitely orange blossom, definitely vanilla, and definitely patchouli. I can definitely pick up on that. This can be worn any season. Winter, spring, fall, any season. Summer, nights. It can be worn, you guys. As far as longevity, I would say I get maybe about 7 hours out of this one. So this one does have a really, really good staying power. And for some reason, the House of Dolce & Gabbana, for me, lasts a super long time anyway. All of their fragrances that I have, last a pretty decent while. Especially I love light blue, you guys. I love light blue for the spring and summer months. That one lasts a really long time on a hot summer day, especially when you're outside and you're getting a little sticky. It definitely projects. I love it. So this is super sweet. I love it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. It really helps out this channel, you guys. I really enjoy doing my fragrance videos, you guys, and I have a Zara one coming really soon, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. The notification bell is on. Thank you so much again to Karativa, and I see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Be blessed. Until next time. Bye. I'm trying to rush y'all. I gotta go.